Alright, so in this short video, I'm going to explain to you step by step that how you can create or edit perfect photos for your Amazon FBA listing that can help you to get more clicks, more impression, and hence more sales. Because in online selling business, photos and the contents are only two things that explains each and everything about your product to your customer. Like what this product is, what is the material, what are the features, what are the qualities, and why one should buy your product and not your competitor ones. So photos are the main source of communication between you and your buyer when he visits your listing and will be in the process of making purchase decision. So the more information you will give about your product to your buyer in terms of images, the higher chances of getting sales you will get from that buyer. So let's see how your images must look like to get more sales and to impress your buyers. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon right now. So let's search for any product like goalkeeper gloves. So before start working on the images, you must have to at least open 2 or 3 of your competitors and see what kind of images are they having and what are the messages that they are conveying to their buyer from their images. And then you need to make a list of all those features, all those image short lists. And then you have to replicate all those features, all those ideas to your images. Because in e-commerce business, your competitors are the most authentic source of learning if you want to compete them and if you want to get good sales like them. So as you can see here, I have just typed goalkeeper gloves and in front of me, I am seeing many competitor listing. So let's suppose we can open this one because the main image is eye-catchy and different from others. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on the first competitor listing right now and you can see that this competitor is having 7 images. So this is the main image and in the main image, they are showing a pair of gloves from back side and from front side and they are showing the packaging of the glove. Like the buyer will know in what packaging he will get the glove. So let's go on image number 2. In image number 2, they are explaining the 3 features of this glove. Like number 1 is air mesh, number 2 is designed for durability and number 3 is double wrap over. So they have just analyzed the complaints of the buyer regarding this product. Like some buyer can complain that when they wear this glove and when they play football, so the glove can be slipped from their arm. So they have added a special feature of double wrap over which will help you to wrap the glove on your wrist so it will not come out. So these are basically the feature and basically the solution of some problem which a football player can face. So they have explained all these features and all these solution of problem in second image. Like this glove is having air mesh, this glove is having a durable design and this glove is having a wrap over at the wrist. So let's move on to third image and in this third image they have explained that wrap feature in detail. Like they have opened the wrap of the glove from the wrist and they have technically explained that feature in this because this is probably the main feature of this glove. Let's move on to the fourth image. Here you can see they are explaining a quality of this product. Like this glove is super thick, long lasting and the material is latex. So basically in this image they are explaining the quality, like the quality is good, quality is thick and the wrist wrap is basically 3D embossed. So you can see how they are explaining all the features and all the quality and all the solution of the buyer's problem in their images. So when buyer will start seeing their images, start reading the text in their images, he will automatically get convinced of purchasing this product because this product seems to be having very good feature and good quality. So let's move on to the next image. So in this image they are showing a plus point about their packaging. Like this packaging is reusable. Once you open this packaging, use the glove and after using you can just put that glove into the packaging again. So you don't need to throw the packaging and you don't need to store the glove somewhere on your table. Let's move on to the next image. So in this image they have again explained some properties of this product. Like it's comfortable, it's breathable, it's durable and it's moisture proof. Like I'm not a football player but by reading this I can feel when some football player wear this glove and they play football, so they might get sweat in their palm. So if this glove is durable and moisture proof, so it will help them to focus on their game instead of focusing on the palm sweating. So this is a cool feature explained from the seller in this last image. And after that, there's a size chart because this is a glove product. And if you're not selling a glove or if you're not selling a wearable product, so you can just skip that size chart. So like this, you have to open 2 or 3 competitors and you have to read and you have to see all the images of your competitor one by one and try to understand that what your competitor are trying to explain in terms of images to their buyer. So you have to explain the same, because your competitor are old competitor, they are having good reviews, they are getting good sales, so they must have done a good working on the reviews, on the negative reviews of the customer and all the problem that customer face. So you don't need to experiment on all those problems, you just need to analyze all of the images of your competitor, and then you have to make an image shortlist in an Excel sheet like I have just made here. You can see that this is an Excel sheet, and in this Excel sheet I have created 7 rows, like for image 1, image 2, image 3 and so on. And I have just write a title, like in the main image what we have to do, in the second image what we have to write, in the third image what quality we have to define. You can see that this is the title of the image, and these are some example of the image from competitor, and in the third column the description, like what actually we have to write and what actually we have to show in this image, what feature or what quality. So in that way, if you make a sheet like this after analyzing your competitor, then you will be able to know that in which image you have to show what property. So if you do this study and invest your 1 hour in analyzing your competitor images, then you will be able to make stunning and perfect images for your Amazon listing, which can help you to convert better, get good impression and click, and more sales. So this is my best practice before creating images of my product whenever I launch a new product on Amazon. So today I have shared this practice with you guys, so you can also follow this and create perfect images for your Amazon product listing that can convert better and better. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned a lot of cool stuff in this. So if you really like the content, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want me or my team to create the perfect images for your Amazon listing like this, then make sure to contact us from the link in the description of this video. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.